Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to disable our shortcut to the Bixby function in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So right now, when we press and hold our power button, this option will show up instead of, for example, turning off the phone, as it was previously. So how to change this option? First, we need to go to Settings. In Settings, we need to open our Advanced Features, and here we have our Side button menu. So as you can see, by default, we have our Bixby option under our Side button. So we can change it. For example, right now, when we tap and hold, we have our power off menu. It's a preferable option over Bixby. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.